In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up theft protection system on your Android phone. Simply go in settings, scroll down, go in Google services, tap on what's new, tap on show me. As you can see, Google introduced these new features. Tap on done. Now go in all services, simply scroll down, go in theft protection, again scroll down, tap on this toggle to enable theft detection lock, tap on turn on. If you scroll down more, here you get the offline device lock. The screen will lock shortly after your device goes offline. To enable this, tap on this toggle, tap on turn on. Also, add the screen lock in your device. So this is how you can set up theft protection system on your Android phone. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.